What you can do is you can use your right leg, push the right leg forward to bring the left one back to the point of discomfort. Keep it there and do the rolling pin in that position. Hey guys, Tony here. I want to take a minute to set up this next video sequence. So this is our patient who had the manipulation and we are on day 4. He's been doing amazing. When you look at today compared to the first day when he came from the manipulation, completely different human being. So check it out. We're gonna walk into the clinic together. We're gonna get on the recumbent bike. We're gonna work on some new strategies to improve the knee flexion. And I'll tell you at the end of this video what his flexion is by the end of today's treatment. Looking good.
You got to see how I was going to get out.
That's right. I've got a better strap than that. I'll see if I can get you.
This works.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Not only that, it's got a good storage.
Have you been using the walker?
Yep.
Okay.
I got it in the back.
I'm gonna watch.
And
You tell me.
I've been doing the rolling pin and I'm not quite as sore as I was yesterday.
Beautiful. I knew one day off would be good for you. Yeah.
I've got, at times I've got, places like that. I don't want to go head over heels.
I know, those little bumps, they'll catch you for sure.
They get magnified. There he goes, standing around with his arms folded.
I want to go straight to that black bike right here.
The black bike?
Yeah.
Gotcha. After yesterday,
Yeah.
this leg is just as sore as this leg.
I bet.
And the muscles in here.
I bet.
Do you think they manipulated this side?
No, it's just you're using that one so much.
No hurry.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the stiff one on first. I want you to grab the handle underneath the seat.
That's that.
Yep, down lower. There you go. So pull it up, and then you can slide forward.
Nursing home. Luckily, I have a niece that.
Let's put that left one up.
Yeah, because you get kind of. Well, you're homebound. So we got her,
Probably
right.
need to go a little further.
Well, let's leave it there for now, because we're not gonna go all the way around anyway. Let's see if we get the right foot on.
They started them and then they had them come back in. Found them over with.
Did you like that?
And then we're just gonna rock it back and forth.
Arlington Point.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you see how your foot's kind of turned out on the left.
There's one
See if you can turn that toe in just a little bit. There we go.
very nice. But he couldn't get his pain pills on time.
That's it.
When I get right to there, there's a bend.
Okay.
That's why he's gonna shake his
So this is what we're gonna do. Keep doing that.
Okay, no problem.
I'm gonna give you the rolling pin. I want you to massage that thigh just a little bit.
But they just had him doing steps,
Hey, Cheryl.
walking around his room.
I'll give it to her.
I don't need to press that in.
The rehab fidelity chip training, he was mad.
And so what you can do is you can use your right leg, push the right leg forward to bring the left one back to the point of discomfort. Keep it there and do the rolling pin in that position.
Never sent medication over there.
Right here and right there.
That's
Touchy,
perfect.
Touchy, touchy.
That's exactly where we want to feel it.
They didn't do any knee things. I mean,
I bet I've spent 2 hours with the rolling pin.
Yeah, yeah. But you know what? It looks so much less sensitive than it was. Okay guys, this is what you've been waiting for. He was able to get 90 degrees of flexion today. I've got a picture of it. I'll pop it up here. He got 90 degrees of flexion with minimal pain, working through the range of motion. Now, if you remember, on day 2, he was at 81. Prior to that, the best he had gotten was 83. Today we got 90. It's not me, it's him. It's the work he's putting in, the patience he's giving it, and the time to heal. I'll catch you guys in the next video.